Hey there, this is David Poulsen, coming to you live from San Francisco, one of my favorite places, Ocean Beach here in San Francisco. Take a look at this beautiful beach. Kind of cold today as we usher out 2018. Just wanted to come out here because this is my favorite place in San Francisco. Is coming out to the beach and just enjoying as we say goodbye to 2018 and get ready to rock in 2019. Just want everyone to get a glimpse. Last glimpse as the sun sets on 2018. And I just wanted to say goodbye to 2018, say hello to 2019. It's going to be a great year. I'm going to love it. You will too. We're going to go to new heights in 2019. I've been getting ready, and we are going to new heights. So, I hope I want to wish everyone a happy new year. If you make it out to San Francisco, come on out to Ocean Beach. You can see one of these beautiful sunsets out here. And just want to tell everyone how grateful I am for you. What a great year I've had. How wonderful it is to be alive. I want to thank God for all He's done in my life. I want to thank all the people that surround me that have helped me along the way. Just everybody. I'm very grateful, very thankful, and filled with happiness and joy. Anyways, it's been a super year. I hope you guys had a great year, and we will rock in 2019. Run out and see one of these beautiful sunsets with me.